Welcome to Georgia, a stunning jewel of Eastern Europe where tradition meets modern innovation. Today, all eyes are on Georgia, and for good reason. Introducing SEU Avicenna University, the future of medical education, with a sprawling next-generation medical campus spread across 50,000 plus square meters. Avicenna isn't just a university, it's a movement transforming healthcare education. Here, students receive hands-on clinical exposure from the very beginning, working in real-time environments with access to over 6,000 plus hospital beds, gaining real-world experience like nowhere else. And that's not all. Students earn while they learn, receiving a stipend during internships to support their journey. But it's not just about studies. At Avicenna, we say, play hard, heal smart, rise higher. With a range of sports and extracurricular activities, every student lives a balanced and vibrant life. From simulation centers to surgical mastery labs, students are trained in skill-based learning from day one. Our labs process over 4 million plus lab tests annually, preparing students for every challenge ahead. SEU Avicenna is proud to be AACI USA Accredited, a global gold standard in medical education. Our students enjoy a rare privilege, exclusive access to the largest American hospital for clinical practice. No other university offers this level of opportunity. With 5 university-owned hospitals, Avicenna students practice under expert supervision, sharpening their clinical skills and gaining confidence. Learn from a stellar team of 900 plus doctors, passionate mentors shaping the next generation of MBBS doctors. Students here celebrate every festival. It's a global family, embracing every culture and making memories for life. And for our international students, Atmia hostels are the safest and most affordable, offering comfort, security, and delicious Indian meals. It's a home away from home. With a scholarship pool of over ₹50 crore, your medical dream is now more accessible than ever. Step into the future with AI-driven learning centers, cutting-edge tools, and tech-integrated labs. Located in the unbeatable city of Batumi, Georgia, students experience an ultra-modern lifestyle while still soaking in rich Georgian culture. It's the perfect blend of progress and tradition. With a vast e-library and physical library, every medical book and journal you need is right at your fingertips. In such an empowering environment, wearing that white coat becomes more than just a uniform. It's a symbol of your dream turning into reality. Stand tall with your dream. Take bold steps. Avicenna is where your journey to becoming a doctor truly begins. This is where dreams don't just take root, they take flight. Need help getting started? Reach out to our education-exclusive partners, guiding MBBS aspirants for over 35 plus years and committed to guiding thousands more. Avicenna, the future of medical education starts here.